This simple product made more than $400,000 in sales. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money online as a beginner in 2023. You don't need any special skills, you don't need experience, you don't need any expensive softwares. We're going to use only free tools. Now when you come here on Etsy and when you search for example Canvas and press enter, here you will see that people are making good money by selling different kind of canvas here on Etsy. Actually, people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars selling canvas here on Etsy. But competition here for canvas is too big, it is too strong. So what you can do is you can simply niche down. So for example, when I search for candles, for example, and click here on search, here you can see people are making lots of money by selling different kind of candles here on Etsy. And for example, when I click here on this one, you will see that competition for candles is actually not that big, it is not that strong. Here you will see this is actually a good product and people are buying this product. Here you can see there is 76 reviews for this product alone, and this product is costing, well, $24. And I know what you're thinking, well, I don't know how to make candles, I don't know how to ship candles. You don't have to make candles. There is somebody else. There is one company that will actually make these candles and ship these candles for you. All you have to do is just design this label here. That is what you need to do. And you don't even need to come up with these quotes here by yourself. So what you can do is you can simply go here on ChatGPT and you can tell it to give you these quotes. Now what I would suggest you is to niche down even more, because in that way competition will be even smaller and it will be even weaker, so you can easily make sales. So what you can do is you can simply say something like this: short and funny quotes about dogs and candles, and then press enter. And now ChatGPT will give you some dog and candles related quotes that you can use to make your own label for your candle. So let me choose one of these. For example, let's just wait to finish. Okay, and let's just say I will use this one here. Okay, I will just Ctrl+C to copy this quote. So next thing we need to do, we need to actually go on that company and to register on their website so they can make these candles for us. And the company that we are going to use is called Printful. You can use Printify if you want. I personally use Printful. After you register, registration, by the way, is 100% free, so you don't have to pay any money. After you register, you will come to your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look. What you need to do, you need to click here on Product Templates. That is important. This is important part of the video, so please pay close attention. And then what you need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to click here, create more product templates, okay? And then what you need to do, you need to scroll here where it says home and living. You need to click here and then scroll here and then click here on candles, because we wish to create a candle. And then click here on this candle. And then what you need to do, you need to make a design. Now this is really important. You need to click here on product info. Why? Because we actually wish to see what are the dimensions of our label. Here we can see 95 with 79 millimeters, which means our design must be in these dimensions, okay? So next thing we need to do, we need to make our design, we need to make our label. For that you can use Photoshop, GIMP, but for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Canva. So here I will click on custom size. And then here I will choose 95 with 79. And here all I have to do is just click here on text, on T for text, and I can choose one of these text styles. So for example, let's just say I will use this one here. I will delete this because I don't need that. And then here I will simply paste this quote that actually ChatGPT made for me. And I will make this to be a bit larger and make it on the center, okay? And all I have to do now is just click here on share and then click here on download and download PNG. Choose here PNG and then just click here on download and download this to your desktop. Next thing you need to do, you need to go back here on Printful and you need to upload this design. So let me just close this. So I will just make this smaller, and all you have to do is just drag that here, okay? And give it a few seconds to upload this and to process this, and you will upload this to your Printful profile. Now just give it a second to actually process this. And here you can see how this looks. You can actually make this design on Printful directly. You don't have to make it in Canva if you don't want. You can simply click here on text and you can add your own text. You can add some clip art. You can also add some fill and stuff like that. You can basically design your t-shirt, your mug, your candle, or whatever you want directly here on Printful. Now I already did that, like I said, as you can see here. Here you can see basic price of this candle is $12.95. You can edit that price so you can make some profit. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on Save Product Template. Give it a second to process this. And after that, what you need to do, you simply need to click here on Add to Store. And here you can see, not right now, connect to, and here you need to click on Connect to Store, okay? And you will be redirected to this page here. And when you click here, choose platform, here you can see all the available platforms: Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, and so on and so on. And to connect with Etsy, for example, all you have to do is just click here on Connect. Give it a second, and here you can see exact steps and video tutorial that will show you how to connect Etsy with Printful. And when you click here on Connect to Etsy, you will connect your Printful account to Etsy. Now, unfortunately, Etsy doesn't work in my country, so I cannot show you how to do that. But this is the process. This is how you upload your design on Printful and then on Etsy. Automatically, when you add your design here on Printful, your design will be automatically added to your Etsy store. So you don't have to go and do that separately. And money will be automatically added to your PayPal account. That is important. You need to connect Printful with your business PayPal account. And you can start making money just like this, just like these guys here, by selling different kind of products here on Etsy. And like I said, you don't have to make these products. You don't have to ship these products. Printful will do all of that. All you have to do is just design these products, upload them on your Printful profile, and Printful will do the rest. As you can see, this is really simple, really easy way to make money online. And this is another tip for you. What I would suggest is to promote your own products. Start promoting your own products on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, on related forums, on Reddit, on blogs and stuff like that, and wherever you can, and just start promoting as much as you can, and in that way you will make even more money online as a beginner in 2023.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.